I'm going to share everything you need to know about YouTube monetization, YouTube Partner Program, and Google AdSense, like the criteria, revenue breakdown, guidelines, taxations, how to apply, and also share some lesser known facts regarding YouTube income. Do you know before you receive the YouTube earnings on your bank, your payment gets divided into 5 parts and you receive the 5th part only? I'm going to share all the 5 parts in this video. So, if you have a YouTube channel or planning to start one, or if you're just curious about how to earn from a small YouTube channel, then you have come to the right video. Now, let's understand the criteria of monetization. So, to be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, there are 2 ways to do it. One is by YouTube Shorts and the other one is long form video, just like the one you're watching right now. In both cases, you need a minimum of 1000 subscribers and then you need to meet the criteria of any of these two. Either you get 10 million shorts views in just 90 days or you get 4000 watch hours in long form videos in 1 year. Please note, watch hours don't get counted for shorts monetization. This is very important and a lot of YouTubers have this confusion. For shorts, only views matter, and for long form videos, only watch hours matter. Now, what does 4000 watch hours mean? Let's understand with an example. Let's say you made a YouTube video of 10 minutes. If 6 viewers watch the full 10-minute video, then you get 6 into 10 equals to 60 minutes of total watch time, which is 1 hour. So just like that, if all the long form videos in your YouTube channel combined can get 4000 watch hours, which is roughly 240,000 minutes of watch time under 365 days, then you will be eligible for monetization. Hope you all have understood. Comment down below if you have any confusion. Yes, it's a very hard benchmark to cross for beginner YouTubers, much harder than getting 1000 subscribers. But getting 10 million shorts views in just 3 months is way harder in my opinion. You need multiple viral shorts that get millions of views in just 90 days to meet the criteria. That's hard, so making long form videos to get monetized is the better route to take. Plus, you earn more in long form videos compared to shorts, which I'll give you an example later in this video. Please note that if you just cross 500 subscribers and 3000 watch hours, you can still apply for the YouTube Partner Program and you become eligible for Super Chat in live stream or super thanks in videos, and you can also start memberships or merchandise, but you won't be eligible for AdSense, which means you won't earn from ads shown in your videos. For that, you still need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours as explained before. After you meet the criteria and become eligible, you have to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. For that, you have to submit some documents like bank details, government ID, address, etc. and do some formalities, sign up to Google AdSense, and within a few days, you'll hear back from YouTube whether your application was accepted or not. I got accepted in just less than 2 days, which usually takes around 1 month, and I've documented my entire journey in this video, so do check out after this. Oh, one thing to note is only by meeting the eligibility criteria of 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views is not enough. YouTube can still reject your application if you don't follow their community guidelines or policies. So be careful. For example, if you make adult, graphic or abusive content, you won't be able to monetize your channel and you risk getting banned from YouTube permanently. Please note that once you get banned from YouTube, even if you make a new channel with a different name or niche, even that is not allowed by YouTube and your new channel will be deleted as well. Read their policy if you want to know more and let me know in the comments if you have any confusion. Moving on, another important thing to note here is that after you get accepted to the YouTube Partner Program, you need to submit and verify your documents, and there's one important step that is required before you start receiving payments, which is to verify your identity, bank account, and finally address. After verification is done, YouTube will send a letter to your official address that will have a 6-digit PIN which you need to verify in your Google AdSense account, and if you fail to do that within the deadline, you will not receive any payment even after you have earned it, and Google may discontinue your account from YouTube monetization program. So please enter the same address that matches with the document you submitted earlier. Please note, for Indian YouTubers, Aadhaar is not accepted. So you either submit your passport, driving license or any other official ID. Only after you verify with the 6-digit PIN, you will start receiving payments. In my case, the first PIN was sent on 13th April by Google to my permanent address in Tripura given in my passport, and it said within 2 to 3 weeks I'll receive it. But I waited for 1 month and 1 week and I still did not receive any letter. So I reapplied again and requested a new PIN, and this time I changed the address in my current house in Bangalore and still did not receive it. I tried 3 different times, waited for 3 months, tweeted multiple times to YouTube support, but I did not receive any letter, and it usually has a deadline of 4 months where if you fail to verify within that time, YouTube will stop displaying ads on your channel and whatever you have earned won't be credited to your bank account. You can only request a new PIN once every 3 weeks, which means every 21 days. Hence, I was worried for 3 long months, and finally, I changed the address to a YouTuber friend of mine who lives in Kolkata, who also recently got monetized and received the PIN. Surprisingly, in just 10 days, he got the PIN, which is shared on WhatsApp, and I successfully registered. I don't know why I faced this issue, so if anyone watching is going through this, please try with a different address. Even if it does not match with your documents, it is fine. Once you receive the letter, log into your Google AdSense account, enter the PIN, and congrats, from the next month, you will be getting paid from YouTube. Oh, and one thing to know is that YouTube has a policy where the minimum payment threshold is of $100 US. Which means if you are from India, you will get paid only after you earn 8,300 or 8,400 rupees depending on the exchange rate in your YouTube studio and receive the payment. That's the minimum amount, and YouTube only releases the payment once you cross $100, and you will receive it between the 21st to 26th of the next month. Now let's understand the tax implications of YouTube monetization that no creator talks about, and you won't find this information anywhere on YouTube. I'm sharing this from my own experience of managing 5 different YouTube channels. So whatever revenue you generate through ads on your video, which is basically the main source of income for small YouTubers before getting brand deals or sponsorship, as per the policy, YouTube will take 45% of the total revenue and you will receive the remaining 55% only of the ad revenue paid by the advertiser. There is a concept of CPM and RPM in YouTube Studio, which I'll explain in my next video, where I'll also talk about how much I earned in the first month of being monetized with just 3,000 subscribers in this channel. Moving on, another thing to note is whatever amount you earn in a month before receiving the payment, YouTube, which is a US company, will take a certain percentage of the amount as tax, which is called the USCH3 tax withholding of YouTube earnings, which can be roughly 5 to 10% of the amount to even 30%. So read the policies carefully when you apply for the YouTube monetization program, or reach out to me on LinkedIn or Instagram if you need any help or support. Wait, the taxation does not end here. Now, after these cuts, when the amount gets credited to your account, there are 2 more. Number 1, since the payment was released in US dollars, as it gets credited to your Indian bank account, the bank will also take a commission called the remittance charge, which is a fee charged by your bank to convert the amount from US dollars to Indian rupees. This may vary from bank to bank and I can't give you a specific amount, but in my case, I got charged 340 rupees flat fee from my bank, which is Federal Bank. Do contact your bank for more details. And lastly, number 2 is when the amount finally comes into your bank and you get paid regularly every month, as you may know, it will be counted in your taxable income for that year. So if you fall under the 20% or 30% tax slab, then you need to pay additional tax on it to the Indian government as your income tax returns for that financial year. This means after calculating everything, you hardly get close to 30 to 40% of your overall YouTube revenue in total, after giving away parts of it to YouTube, then to US government, then to your bank, and finally to the Indian government. Hence, only relying on YouTube AdSense won't be enough to sustain a creator life. You need brand deals or sponsorship, affiliate income, membership, merchandise, and more. Let me know if you need a separate video on that. In my next video, I'm going to take you to my own YouTube studio and share transparently how much I earned from my first first YouTube paycheck and share more insights and data on how views get counted for monetization, discuss CPM and RPM, what are the secrets to earn more from YouTube, monetization in shorts versus long form video, some lesson on data, and more. This was the first video I ever made about YouTube. If you found it helpful, please add a like and let me know if you'd want to see a full series dedicated to YouTube, and comment down some topics you'd love to see. Subscribe for my upcoming videos and do check out this video next where I documented the journey of my channel getting monetized. Thank you for watching. I'm Anirban and I'll see you at the next one. Cheers.